What if managing diabetes isn't only about knowing what to avoid, but knowing what deserves a place on your plate? Today, we're revealing 20 foods that can fit into a diabetes-friendly eating pattern. Remember, no single food cures diabetes. What matters is your overall diet, portions, activity, medications, and individual health needs. Let's begin. Number 1, leafy greens like spinach and kale. They're nutrient-rich and generally low in carbohydrates. 2, broccoli. A versatile non-starchy vegetable packed with nutrients. 3, cauliflower. Roast it, steam it, or use it as a rice-like alternative. 4, berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries provide fiber and nutrients. Just remember, fruit still contains carbohydrates. 5, beans. Black beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas provide fiber, protein, and carbohydrates. 6, lentils. A filling source of fiber and plant protein. 7, oats. Choose plain oats and watch out for added sugar. 8, barley. A whole grain providing carbohydrates and fiber. 9, quinoa. A nutrient-rich carbohydrate that also provides protein. 10, salmon. Rich in protein and omega-3 fats. 11, sardines. Another nutritious source of protein and omega-3s. 12, eggs. An easy protein option for breakfast or lunch. 13, plain Greek yogurt. Choose unsweetened varieties and add berries or nuts yourself. 14, nuts. Almonds and walnuts provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber, but portions matter. 15, chia seeds. Tiny seeds packed with fiber and healthy fats. 16, avocado. A source of healthy fats and fiber. Remember, it's still calorie-dense. 17, extra virgin olive oil, a useful unsaturated fat for cooking and dressings. 18, bell peppers, colorful, crunchy, and easy to add to meals. 19, cucumber, simple, refreshing, and easy to enjoy regularly. And number 20, water. Replacing sugary drinks with water can be one of the simplest improvements you can make. But here's the real secret. It's not one magical food. It's the pattern vegetables, quality carbohydrates, protein, healthy fats, fiber, and water. And because diabetes is different for everyone, speak with your healthcare professional before making major dietary changes. Start with one meal, add more vegetables, choose sensible portions, and replace sugary drinks with water. Small changes can become powerful when they become consistent habits. If this video helped you, share it with someone living with diabetes and subscribe to Anatomy of Human Body for more visual explanations of what happens inside your body. Now tell me in the comments, which of these 20 foods is already part of your diet?